What is up, you guys? Good morning. Make sure to throw those A's in the chat right away. If you can hear your boy speak, go ahead and throw those A's in the chat. Oh man, what a great morning. If you are curious, if you are wondering why everything in the market is green, it's every single sector in the market that's green. That's because the inflation report came in way cooler than we thought, team. So that signaled a huge bull run this morning. Take a look at this beautiful picture right here, team. Everything is gonna be up no matter what it is. Check it out. We have the blue chips green. We have every sector running right now, team. This came in with a 3.2% CPI read. That means that inflation is officially cooling off even more than what we originally thought, team. The beat is massive. That is signaling a continuation to the upside for the entire marketplace, team. Everything is going to run. Take a look at this. Tesla up 4.35%. Microsoft 1.12%. Google almost 2%. Meta over 2% up. Guys, this is ridiculous. The entire market running right now. Incredible. Take a look at the small caps already running as well. Look at this. 495 on FNGR. I am talking about everything, team. Everything. Cosmos Health already up to 108. My goodness in heaven. And look at the SPY. Check that out. If you're curious over this, look at the gap up from this. We're talking about a $6 gap up, 6-point gap up out of nowhere. You know that every single last thing in the market is going to rally when the SPY does a 6 freaking point run. Guys, this is massive. I can't believe what we are looking at right now. This is literally trying to signal a bull run right now, man. This is look at the S&P 500 E-mini futures contracts with a huge boost to the upside. My goodness, guys, everything is absolutely on fire this morning. My God. What a huge run. Oh my goodness. If you're talking about frothy, well, here it is. My goodness. Let's freaking go. Oh my God, bro. Let's get some tunes running up in here. Oh my goodness. What is up? Northwest Sasquatch. How you doing? Origin, Gal, Green Mountain. Always good to see you here. Kitties never die. Raka, Cyber Sultan. What up? Oh, Katie Cat. Good to see you here. Rosie, Gray Glasses. Yardaline. Julius, what is up, you guys? Buzz Margin, call my bro. He's telling me AI like for the bull. Dude, of course, man. AI running. We got everything running right now. Damn. Oh my goodness. Zen for Life. Raka, good to see you here. Rick L. What is up, you guys? Oh my goodness, man. What an exciting time. Damn, what is up, Dewey Bryson? Good to see you here. That is what I'm finna do, boy. Oh my goodness. Damn, bi-hourly candle just closed upside. Oh, dude, get out of here. This is no way. Hourly candle just closed upside of every single damn moving average ever known to mankind right now. Let me see. Oh, goodness gracious. I guess the SPY is coming up to some sort of resistance right here. If it's able to hold it back, 448.80. Guys, we are literally combating the entire narrative of you know how they've been talking about recession. Usually when they talk about recession on TV, that means that it's probably behind us already, right? They've been talking about recession. We're literally repairing this live. We're repairing this way faster than we thought. Damn, I got to give it up for the Fed, though, because are they actually pulling off a soft landing? Damn, dude. That is crazy. Oh, dude. Wow, man. You know what? This is already, I don't even know how to trade the damn thing. We're so damn bullish right now, right? Yeah, so let's match the resistance with price action against the linear regression channel, right? So 448.88 looks like the resistance could be okay. That's already almost right away. In fact, the top side right now we're looking at is around 449, 449.58. Let's go. That is huge. Damn. Guys, this is ridiculous. Oh, man. And you know what? I bet ASRE is also punching the upside. Let's see. All right, 26.85. Oh, goodness gracious. It did get up to 31. No. That's the day. That's not the daily time frame. That's the 3-day. Let's go ahead and check out the daily. This boy got to react soon enough. Oh, okay. It was almost up to 28. Pulling back right now to 26.85 SMA 50 resistance. What else do we have? Oh yeah, that's right. The play from yesterday. This was the PCSA play that I put up yesterday, and I did say this was gonna rally, right? Oh damn! Look at that. How far up did it go already? Damn! It's up already 4% up on the day. The play is definitely working out like we spoke about in last night's video. Hold on just a sec. I got a few things to get rid of here. Wow, team, this is 100% amazing. Can't even believe it. Huge times here. I see what's going on. There we go. Okay, so this is that play that I spoke of in last night's thread. Damn, that's interesting. Nvidia is dropping right now. It probably got a little too frothy, right? Oh yeah, check this out. The SPY is actually correcting right now too. There could be a pull. I mean, there could be a pullback all the way to 445.95. If it doesn't get up there. Damn. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I wonder if that's actually doing it to the rest of the market too. Let's see. SOXS, check it out. Buzz margin call. I don't want to be too bearish, but I keep hedging SOXS just because this feels hot. Oh, dude. This is the initial response, dude, bro. Like we haven't dropped a CPI read. We haven't dropped this in I think 4 CPI reads in a row, I think it was. So this is a big deal. Like the run today, it's like it's taking a breather right now, but I do not see the markets pulling back. They're gonna pull back their little breather here and there, but dude, oh man, I wouldn't doubt. I would not doubt. Let's see. What's our high already on the SPY? 440. Yeah, dude, I do not doubt being beyond 450 by the end of the day today. This is a huge, like, I mean, big, this is big news, dude. Wow. Yeah, most things do have these gaps, right? Check out the SOXL versus the SOXS right now, right? So we have that bull 3x lever SOXL for semiconductors absolutely running to the moon right now. Wow. Mark Roach, good to see you here, my bro. I don't know if you heard me earlier, but yeah, but we got a 3.2% CPI read, the inflation report. Man, that means that the entire sentiment in the market is probably going to bet that the Fed is going to again pause a rate hike, which is going to be pre-priced in. Oh my goodness, dude, I don't even know where the SPY is going to go after this. This is huge. But I do see, I can't speculate on this. Look at this. There's a gap here on the 4-hour time frame, 449.94. Probably going to pull back a little bit from that area there and start validating what, actually, sorry, yeah, 440, I'm sorry, yeah, I guess we can say that. 449.90, whatever the top side is of this candle here, 93, 449.93 could be that resistance. I'm sorry, what the hell's going on? 449.94, right? Yeah, resistance, pull back. Let's see, the 448.10 could be the highs that we can test back and continue onwards, but then 451.08 is gonna be that resistance. Oh dude, this is incredible. Yeah, we got a 3.2% CPI read, and this is, I mean, this thing just launched the markets, guys. And this kind of support is also, look at this, look at the heat map. Goodness in heaven. And if I'm not mistaken, this kind of price action, this kind of reaction of like immediate upside reaction can affect crypto too, right? I just put out some videos yesterday on XRP and on Solana expecting an upside to come based on statistics on my algos, right? So let's just take a look, because this is just 100% massive, 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 massive. Let's pull up the daily time frame here. Okay, Bitcoin bouncing off of the SMA 10 on the daily time frame. Very likely a little bit of a bull flag here and a continuation to the upside. This is super up there as well. 36,541. It's looking great, man. This is looking great. I forgot what was the, right. You know what? I looked at this on the Master Layout 3. XRP, dude. Oh my goodness, man. Lots of sentiment behind the XRP, right, Buzz? Ripple has a lot of people in there. I do have to give it to Solana though, dude. That thing has been outperforming the markets like crazy. That thing is up, I think since October, is up freaking 40 something percent. Everything else moving up too, but dude, whatever they're doing is pushing price like freaking crazy. Let's look at yeah, you know what? We got to take a look at BTC futures contracts. Are they low-key check XDC? They can settle trades on the NASDAQ via R3. Oh, what? Wow. Who was it? You know what? I think because of that, what you just said right now, dude, and the whole talks about the Bitcoin. Look at this. Hold on just a sec. Let me check on FNGR. FNGR at 493, getting so close to that $5 mark. The top side already faced is at 498, dude. And you don't even know how many bearish videos and bearish things I saw on Twitter regarding FNGR. It's so curious that we come back down to the critical demand zones and then the market rips. Like, dude, you can't be talking that kind of bearish crap and then like expect like everyone to be bearish with you. Like, dude, no, man, no. Wow. There are broader market factors to look into that you're not looking into, you know, and that's just gonna, dude, you can't be guessing things up in here, man. You can't just say, oh, this is gonna fall to $3 and whatever. Like, no. What? How the hell does anyone just say that? You know what I mean? This is ridiculous. Like, I mean, guys, we literally said our support bottom, 419 to 442 with a concentrated 425 to 435. Where does price action go yesterday? 425, and we bounced to the moon from there. Goodness gracious, dude. To be fair, yes, I was hella scared here for a retail. This is an inflection point. You know what I mean? This is an inflection point. We could fail. I don't want to see retail fail there. You know what I mean? But then again, you have like these guys just saying like, well, this is this right here. This is that point where things are going to drop to a freaking 3 cents. Not that easy. Not that easy. You know what I mean? My goodness. Susan, what is good? Are we bullish on XRP? Yeah. Well, I mean, to be honest with you, with a bullish Bitcoin, you can be bullish almost anything. I mean, I promise you this. There was an influx of influencers during the bull run of during the last equities and crypto bull run. You had all of these gurus, all of these furus come out, and they're all like saying, you know what, this is going to be the next 100x coin, right? I mean, the thing is that in all reality, you could have thrown a freaking dart at 20,000 tickers or coins up on the freaking wall, and you would have made money on it the next day. Guys, a bull run is a freaking bull run. Everybody's a damn genius, right? It's those who come out of a bear cycle calling it. Those are the ones you got to look at, right? Those are the dangerous ones, right? Those are the ones that are like, ooh, you lasted through the bear cycle, or you were born from the bear cycle. My bro, you are a phoenix. Danielle, I would actually hold off. There could always be a pullback, right? Right now, everything's a little frothy. We could get a little bit of a correction there, and then get long the markets. But to tell you the truth, short-term XRP is probably not the way to go, right? That would be probably investment, like or even Solana. You know, these crypto plays, they're real. I mean, Solana had a high of like $260. It's at $60 right now, right? And that may be a resistance on the way up, a temporary one. And also 5 years, 7, maybe 10 years from now, Solana may be worth $1,000. You know? Freaking insane. Double X saying, what's up, Arca baby? Hope you and the fam are doing great today. Let's see. The little man too. He's over there, man, doing good. Oh, nice. I'm very happy you caught those videos, my bro. Oh, so yeah, Buzz is from the. I see what you mean. Oh, dude, and you know what? Solana's not the only problem with it's not the only one with problems. Cardano is also a freaking weird hold. I'm not the biggest fan of them either. But one thing I can tell you is that both of them will go up. As long as Bitcoin's rallying, they're gonna go up. You know what I mean, dude? It's just the beauty of having an index. You know, similar to like having the S&P 500 or the Nasdaq run to the upside. It'll bring everything with it. They run on a single validator, so when that goes down, whole network goes down, dude. Oh my goodness, man. So yeah, I think what was it? I think Solana right now is the biggest. Is it the one where they're built? I think or could it be built on the? Which one was it? Yeah, I think Ethereum has probably the biggest gaming application, right? So you have a lot of things built under the Ethereum network, but then from there, I think maybe it's Solana. There's a lot of gaming built under Solana too. Yeah, so yeah, dude. So careful, brother. Not financial advice is what you mean to say. So make sure to keep a close eye on that, right? So 491 FNGR COSM still holding that 108. And oh my goodness. 448.53 presently on the SPY team. This is so damn big. Goodness. Dude. Yeah, these are your personal paper trades. Yeah, guys, very, very interesting times happening in the markets right now. Huge beat on the CPI. Couldn't be more excited. Green Mountain, what's up? TIVC. What's that doing for us? Let's look at it. TIVC. Solana is SOL. Danielle, good to see you here, Danielle. Okay, TIVC on an upside right now. Nice. You got a drive of hidden bullish divergence playing out. And the upside is still relevant here, even in the hourly time frame. We have the RSI signals sitting in the bullish control zone and in the gravitational zone too. Very likely for this to get pulled to the upside and continue. Let me see the 15-minute. Even something small like that, right? So massive upside pivots in the bullish control zone. Stochastics expanding volatility right now. I mean, damn, this is it's hard to be bearish this asset. Let's see. Yeah, I guess if you're going to face a little bit of a pullback here, it may be to the area of around 242, if that. And then this thing could continue onwards. Let's go to the bi-hourly time frame. Bi-hourly time frame bouncing right off of that SMA 14 and suggesting a continuation to the upside on Stokes. critical volatility, critical expansion. There it goes. There it goes. Continuation to the upside. And I do think you have a resistance coming up naturally right up here, right? We're going to have to go ahead and just give it a couple cents just below this top side. So I would say 267, very discretionary, to about 276. There could be a very strong pullback from that zone there. Let me take a look at the 4-hour time frame here, which is my minimum time frame for upside. Oh, guys, damn. Look at this immediate expansion. It went directly from critical contraction in a split second here to critical expansion with an upside pivot on stochastic momentum. And that being said, check out the ADX. We have ADX sitting at a massive 38% with DMI plus leading on top being the bulls. It's very hard to be bearish this asset. Very, very, very tough to be. Oh, man. What is up, Mr. BM Pro? How you doing, man? Damn it, guys. This is so. Oh, yeah. Hey, Chad. How are you? Hey, Arca, when you get a minute, can you give me your opinion on ELF? I have been long since a couple of weeks ago. Since earnings. Okay. And it's volatile right now, especially, brother. We just got an incredible CPI read. Looking for some kind of partial gap fill at some point on the SPY over. Oh my goodness, yeah. And what I would say, if it doesn't have enough juice for a downside, that daily gap may actually be a massive support. It may, okay? These gaps do not have to get filled. They do not have to. See, because right now, look at where price action is, 448.53. We got a gap right beneath us, right? 446.08 to around 441.13. But check this out. We also have a daily gap right down here, a massive one, 433 to 430. That was a $3 gap right there as well. And guess what? Another one right down here at 426 to 423.37. We may very well leave these behind forever, and it's a possibility. Yeah, I'm just saying it like that, right? Gaps do not have to be filled. Shoo, they don't have to fill, but it'd be nice if they did. We could get long there, you know. I totally hear that. Oh man. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue on TIVC, but to answer your question clearly, let's just take a look at a couple of resistances. Right, earlier this morning I spoke about 450.01 or 499.94, whatever that. Let me see, 449.93. The gap right here. That's a temporary resistance because there's a gap there on the 4-hour. When is well, it's not a typical day today. It's CPI today. And not only is it CPI, but I think it's the first CPI movement we've had in, I think, the last 2 to 4 reads of CPI. And it cooled off significantly. I think the expectation was probably a 3.5 or 6. And it came at a 3.2. That is not normal, and that is absolutely pushing the markets to new highs. Another thing is that if we're going based off of a daily, if we're going based off of a daily in stochastics, then I mean, take a look at this, right? We already hit like 90. Huge is way overbought, right? 97.07. And if we look back, historically speaking, I mean, that marks off the top of a lot of areas, right? So we've reversed from there more often than not. But what I can say is that these are just averaged, right? So it gives it higher probability because the belief is that it'll give it a retracement from these zones here. But in all reality, these are delayed indicators and they can overbuy forever, right? As well as oversell. They can oversell forever, right? Because stochastic momentum can make a huge move like this with consolidation in price. This is not a perfect indicator. Not any indicator is perfect. So it's also important to observe that potential. But yeah, I'm thinking that there could be a 4-hour resistance. Right now, the price action is having a little bit of trouble moving beyond this area because of a daily gap. Look at this. No matter the filling of the gap or not. Remember, these are things that I'm sorry, my master students are in here. For those of you who know, you know. Right? Very tough to get over resistances even after they've been filled. We make sure to keep an eye on previous resistances for future play. Always. Always. All right, team. So this is likely why we're facing a lot of trouble getting over this point here. Not impossible. We're breaking above it, but you can see clearly how price action is not as buttery as it was just before. Right? So this takes a lot of observation in the markets, team. It takes a lot of patience. Here it goes. Here it goes. Let's see if we can get that cover at 449.19 to finally fill this gap here. And then slightly above that, go to the 4-hour time frame and observe your topside gap right over here, 449.93. That's going to be the next area of resistance. And it would be good for resisting so we can come back and validate this daily gap as support before continuing on to the upside. Zigzags. Typically how price action tends to behave, right? Okay, another thing to observe here. The top side of the gap that we're going to get on the daily time frame. Look how consistent it is to the regression band on a 4-hour time frame. 449.19, steady on both. Yes, contraction happens. Danielle, thank you for continuing that. Aiden Davis, what's up, buddy? Yeah, so Jasper, Danielle is right. It's right at about 10 a.m. Contraction happens in the market. Institutionally, you're looking at lunchtime there, right? So we never trade the markets during lunchtime. Never. We do not trade. We stay cash. We close the positions out before lunchtime, and then the next opportunity would be presented right after lunch. Daniel Gonzalez, what is up? So I'm not sure if you're noticing here the entire marketplace running, and that is because the inflation report came in with one of the most massive beats we've had in a while. That could signal a bull run here on the SPY, at least to pre-price before the next Fed meeting. I think we have the first CPI read that has moved, I think, in the last 2 to 4 reads. And I think we were expecting a 3.6 or a 3.5% inflation report, and it came in with a huge beat of 3.2%, which fired off the entire marketplace. The SPY has now gapped up $6 based on that CPI inflation report. This is crazy. We are now approaching highs. I mean, yeah, guys, this is incredible. September. Yeah, we're beating that already. Oh man, this is good stuff, guys. This is really good stuff. This is one complete break of market structure, and look at the price action just gapping up everywhere. Joe H, up massively today. Saved some cash from yesterday and doubled up today. Oh man. Today would have been that day to double up, man. The CPI read just ripped the markets open. I mean, look at the heat map. Check this out. Gee, man. Crazy. The entire marketplace is freaking green. Oh, man. Everything getting pushed to the upside. And look at the SPY still going up. 448.96, team. I'm telling you, there could be, there could be a 450 to 451 SPY by the end of the day today. We're approaching the resistance level here, team, at 449.19. Temporary pullback. If it gets enough of a pullback, there is another tiny gap right over here. 447.72 to 447.51. Price action wants it, man. Price action wants it. Let's go ahead and take a look at Tesla. Where are you at? EMA 7 in the top side of the linear regression channel is working as a temporary support. Let's see this. Bi-hourly time frame break, is bouncing from that linear regression band's mid-band. With the price action from the post-market in the bi-hourly time frame, we have succeeded the upside of the SMA 200. That's getting pretty big. 3-hour time frame using the SMA 200 as support right now. Wow, it's getting pretty serious here. Damn. All right, so Tesla has the SMA 200 on the 4-hour time frame at around 241.05. I wouldn't doubt it. I wouldn't doubt it here. It may even try to do it today. 241.05, man, that is literally a freaking $9 move. Wow, team, this is crazy. I don't even know where to go because everything is so damn bullish. FNGR sitting at 493 right now, getting a complete recovery over there. TIVC, remember, team, so sorry that I didn't finish it off right, but yeah, I'm looking for a resistance grab right up here, 267 to 276, likely to happen today. And from here, very likely a pullback. Okay, so now where would the pullback land though? I am honestly thinking that we have a very consistent support right in here, which could be the top side of this 4-hour candle right at around 255. I will give you a range, just a sec. Oh, Buzz, I'm not sure. Buddy, I'm not sure how I deleted a couple of your messages. I didn't mean to do that by any. So you're asking me to take a look at XDC, right? Kitties Never Die saying ASRE to 28. Good. Damn. It is susceptible to the market play. Okay, so TIVC is sitting at a support right now, but remember the range is actually located right down here. 230. Oh, just for the long haul? Do you have a couple plays like that, bro, that you're holding for long? What you mean? With the exception of your Ripple, of course. Yeah, team. So I expect this to come up there. Right. You know, I was gonna tell you that one that I'm very bullish on. Yeah, Matic, right? That good stuff. Yeah, Cosmo is also good stuff. So no, I'm very bullish Polkadot, right? So for the dot network, that the cross-platform blockchain that dude, no one else. You know what I mean? And then COSM was having earnings today. Are they trying to you know what? I think even Polygon announced a potential like that too, other than Chainlink. Right, yeah. There's a good sentiment behind. I mean, both of them, Polygon and Dot. They're very powerful. Right, so I mean, they're gonna present awesome communication between networks. You know, I'm not sure, Danielle. I am actually curious to look. Very curious. Guys, if you know, please go ahead and fill me in the chat. Will Cosmos Health, will Cosmos Health have earnings or report earnings today? Oh, dude, Quant, yeah. My Off-Grid Gorilla, he's a holder. He asked me what do I think about his quant position. I said, good, keep it. Long haul. For Cosmos Health, it's the 14th, Buzz. Nice, dude. Nice. You know what? I'm getting a good response. Oh, that's what you read somewhere. Okay. Yeah, Danielle, I'm not sure what they're gonna do as far as earnings, but yeah, I guess we're hearing through the grapevine that there could be earnings report on the 14th, which is today. So I'm not sure if that's actually gonna happen. I used to have someone to ask for that, right? You're up 30% so far on the SPY calls. Dark Zenon, today is not the day to trade, brother. Congratulations. Congratulations. You are at resistance right now, too. Please remember, you're going to be facing a resistance from here, 449.07 to 449.94. Volatility may stop dropping here. That's a metric that you should be very, very comfortable with looking at while trading options contracts. If volatility stops falling, that means that implied volatility metrics within the options contract will also fall and likely bring your gains down as the price action goes up. Very curious correlation the way that happens. So you are maxed out at volatility right now. I can't. Okay, 10-minute time frame is actually contracting, and the 5-minute time frame is contracting too. So that's already going to shift implied volatility on your options contract. So yeah, you may still see an upside on price, but your options contract may be devaluing. Be very careful here. So everything that you can find is on the 13th, so yesterday. Off-Grid Gorilla, what is up, my brother? Good to see you here. The real A Swang. Steve Mertz, how you doing, brother? Man's Everguard, good to see you here. Wow, the SPX just hit 4,500. Thank you, Rosie Ray Glasses. That's huge. So yeah, I'm thinking that we could have a 450 to 451 SPY by the end of day, or at least a touch of the resistance, right? Because we are at a critical linear regression resistance right now. The thing is that we have a 4-hour gap located right up here at 449.93. That's sentiment may want to test that resistance. See, with I mean, the pullback may be to around here, 448.82. But I am not joking when I say that I am not trading today. It's a rule of mine. Faced way too many losses on days like these. I will not long or short the market, team. Myself, right? It doesn't have to be you. I'm just saying that it's part of my rules. Just a sec. Aiden Davis, very smart, staying cash today. The thing is that I get to observe price action. And I get to see how it behaves. And I get to see how people behave. So it makes it cool for me to just kind of pull back a bit, you know, and just hold off and see how the behavior happens, see how people fight it. And then it sheds light for the next one, and sheds light for the next one and the next. That's good, Steve. That's good to know. Yeah, so I'd rather days like these to pull data. I'd rather days like this to observe and to study. There's opportunities in the markets. There are opportunities in the markets every day. The easier trade usually comes in after these critical reports. Just like last time. Remember when I said, you guys were saying, oh, we're not going to trade the Fed day? I'm like, no, we're not going to trade the Fed day. It's going to be a lot easier to understand where price action is going to go on the following day. The following day, price action rips. Right? It's usually like that. There's no way I'm going to enter the market not knowing the temperature, not knowing the atmosphere. I need to have a certain level of certainty that I will have a play out to my probabilities, to where I want it to go. Right? So I can't I can't pretend to know what's going to happen here when the SPY is up 2 points and it gapped up $6, right? That doesn't happen on a daily basis. So if I don't know that atmosphere, if I don't know that, I'm not going to trade that. It doesn't happen every day. Finger up to $5. Heck was that? Check it out. Already right at the resistance that we were talking about at $4.99. I mean, literally, I think it was $4.99. Oh yeah, it was $4.99 in the video, and then I adjusted it to $5. EMA 21 located right there too. And we spoke about this, team. We spoke about this. The run to $5. We spoke about it yesterday. Man, and yet you still get these guys like all over Twitter and all over YouTube just talking their crap. Like, I mean, dude, it's so easy to say that it's going down after it's been going down for 2 days in a row. It's like, dude, did you even know that was going to happen? Do you even know why? You know what I mean? Like, my goodness. So when are we buying the SPY puts? Says Off-Grid Gorilla. Oh, dude. That's very dangerous. Okay, check out the SPY. Moving up to our resistance. Oof. Ay, damn. Check it out. Combating that gap entirely. Let's see if we can get a pullback from this area here, team, or... Damn, could it be the next one? Yeah, this is why I'm telling you. Look at this. It's not playing traditional. This is the guys. It's not following your traditional rules. This is FOMO. I'm not going to play FOMO. You know, everybody can slaughter themselves. That's all good. You know, I'm gonna chill back here. It's all good. We have opportunities every day in the markets. It's no problem. I mean, for those of you that have been trading with me for the last weeks, tell me you're not up. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Paper trade. Oh man. So, yeah, completely just confusing the market, not getting the pullback when it should have a damn pullback. Oh my goodness. Yeah, FOMOing the calls at open. Oh man. This, I mean, guys, this for me is amazing to see, right? I mean, I'm not entirely cash either. The thing is that I still am holding my ASRE position. Right? So 27.54 pulling back from the 28. Yeah, literally. So that's right, Aiden. FNGR over $5 right now. Man. And it's like I don't even know how to like look at those people and then like how to, and then no one will come up and will say, you know what, guys, I'm sorry, I was wrong. Guys, when I've been wrong before, I've straight up said it. And I'll say, like, guys, I thought this was gonna do that, and I thought it was gonna do this, and it just did that instead. Like, I don't know what to do. You know, the randomness in the markets happened to me, and that's and it happened. Right? But damn. But without looking at any other implications, I mean, look at this, okay? We reached that 425 bottom, right? So if we draw a line across that 425, look what the support is on a weekly. This is a weekly gap. How the hell you think we're gonna? Oh man. Sometimes I'm like, guys, the future of trading with some of these people. And they say it with so much certainty that it's going down. Like it's going down because of my line right there. My line is my line, and my line says my line. Right? And dude, and then you fail to look at like a weekly gap, you know? This is such a first grader mistake, you know? Like you don't do that. You know? It's dude. I get that you're trying to be, I get that people are trying to be the, you know, playing the devil's advocate, right? Or playing the it's like they saw a video on a professional trader saying usually when everybody's feeling bullish, I'm feeling bearish. And then that resonates in their bodies. And then they're like, I'm going to also do that. And then they just do it wherever, right? And then gone. It's because you guessed. It's because your body felt that you wanted to go short today. You know, that it wasn't based on any other thesis other than like some pattern, you know, and like, that's not the way you do it. You don't do that. You know what I mean? And you guys know, Joyce, you guys know I'm a freaking bear and I'm a bull. I'm both of them, right? So I'm not, damn. I just want to spank a boy, man. Like what? You just, like these bears, you deserve to get spanked in front of your kids and your partners, you know? Ah, dude. Yeah, man's Everguard, but my line is, it's God's law, you know, my line. So, dude, it's, man, you have to test that freaking resistance and that you have to test that support historically. Like, what is it? I mean, when I look at a bottom side target, like the one here, right? The one that I was telling you guys about, this one. Yeah, this one here. There's no way I could have told you which one, right? I couldn't tell you which one here, but I did tell you that I have 2 higher probability ones, you know, within a range. And in order for me to arrive in order for Arca to it like out of his butt say 425 and 435, I had to do like a circus of jumps, man. You know, I had to perform literally magic, right, to see what the hell is gonna hold price action, you know, from capitulating any further. I had to go through hell and back to find these targets here, right? And then like you get those dudes to put up their analysis in like freaking 3 minutes flat. It's going short. We're going short tomorrow. $2 FNGR by Friday, right? So, I mean, dude, that's not a thesis. That's your, it's gonna go there because I feel that my line is gonna hold it. You know, that thesis doesn't work. You know, it's very often good. No. No, guys, I'm so damn pissed at these guys. I'm so sorry I'm dwelling on that. Oh, goodness gracious. And then they'll tell you, and then they'll also tell you, the Furus. They'll also say it themselves. The Furus are telling you that it's going to continue to the upside. Joe H. Hit that freaking like button, man. Oh, hey, that's right. We were supposed to take a look at NVOS too. What? So let's see if it hit. Yesterday we put out a video on it, right? Okay, here we go. Let's go ahead and take a look at my line. All right. Take a look at the guys, I have to go through hell and back to give you these resistances, you know? Look at it play out nicely, right? But then again, here's me being the 1 cent guy, right? 181 when I said 182. Ah, damn, where's Danielle? She's gonna spank me. Where's the team at? Where's the team? I know that I'm about to hear right now. Damn, Arca, you just missed it again, bro? Like, what are we doing here? Who hired you, bro? Oh my goodness. So, was there the announcement? Was there a buyback? Is that what we're waiting for? Garbini, what's up, buddy? Mark Roach, damn, Microsoft to 371. Africa Gorilla, you're I spying the spy at 454.69. 420.69. Hey man, the volatility is there for Robinhood. Don't even trip. Let's trade it. Siphon from them, right? For being innocent on pulling the buy button on GME and AMC or whatever that was. Ah, dude. Chad Vivian, I love to hear it, dude. Plus the old lady's birthday. Take care, bro. Which one, dude? Which one? Buzz. Daniel Spears just said, I mean, I don't even know why I'm in the master's class. You're always off by a penny. Like, dude, I need to go to the influencer that is on the penny, not off by the penny. Arca. Do you see where I'm going? Oh, you're talking about Robinhood. You're talking about Robinhood. Yeah. Let's take a look. Let me see. Okay. Nice 4-hour resistance from the mid band here. Keep an eye on this, right? Because an hour and 4 minutes. Oh, that means the hourly is gonna close. Oh man, let's go to the hourly. Hold on. This thing is on the verge of flipping bullish, man. Off Grid Gorilla, yeah, that's right. SPY is going to 420.69. Because my line. Right? So, yeah, check this out, dude. I'm thinking this hourly candle over in 4 minutes, closing this hourly candle upside of $8.58, $8.58. Critical that it closes above $8.58, flip bull. If this thing closes beneath $8.58, bearish. All right, so it's already breaking market structure too. This candle that we're on, that's over in 3 minutes 36 seconds. This candle already broke the prior bar low. Okay, so that's already a signal here that it may close bearish. Now, if it closes at 8.58, we have to wait for the guided price. Right, but nothing is really playing by the rules right now, so I can't tell you anything, man. These are all just gambles. Right, super dangerous times up in here. Y'all gonna make me lose my mind. Right. I'm gonna draw some lines over here for mans. It's really terrible, man. Some of these people just like, I don't know where the future of trading is. You know, we can, like, you can't just say something and then say it to the public. You know, like everything is gonna go to hell because my line. Right. Guys, if I'm gonna call a huge downside, it's gonna have a huge thesis on it and probably a 27-minute video. So I'm doing the most for the coast, right? So, I mean, the reason I do that, team, is because I really want to show you that I have a whole ass thesis behind it, right? So I'll put together Titanic 3, you know, so that you can watch it all the way. Me and Jack Dawson killing it, shorting the world, right? So I have to do it like that. I have to do it like that because because when I put too short of a video, somebody, like some smart aleck, will come up out of the woods and say, "Oh, you're basing this around your little triangle?" I'm like, "Oh man, there it goes again." I'm like, "No, actually, me showing you the triangle is actually displaying to you a language so that the biggest part of social media can read it. Because if I come up in here and give you the freaking probabilities based on the first standard deviation, second, third, and fourth, no one wants to hear that, right?" So, all right, look at this. 1 minute and 2 seconds. Let's observe here. GNS is moving. Nice. All right, so we're going to go ahead and say this right here. It's the 858 mark, right? We're going to circle it like this. And we're going to put a line like this. And we're going to say that this is the inverse lollipop. And if it breaks my line of 858 in 30 seconds, we're going bearish. All right? This is the Arca Bulls inverse lollipop. All right? Don't break my line. Here you go. 16 seconds left. Oof. Yeah, 858. 4 seconds left. Man, if it closes at 857, this is bearish. Okay. There could be some to the downside here, team. Dark Zen is saying the line gods. Oh, dude, you're long? Damn it. Careful, there's a resistance now at 861. Dude. Buzz, what the hell, man? Get out of the market, bro. This is a gamble. It's not perfect. Remember, nothing's following the rules right now, so the inverse lollipop may actually just fail us. It may actually be giving us the topside target too. Right? So let me get rid of this thing. Yeah, so there could be a resistance right here at 861, and there also is the top side of the 865 to fake out all kinds of sillies. Your hourly candle had already closed. I can't wait for the day that I can just have like my PC in its own like little air-conditioned bubble, right? And the reason I say this is because I would have it so cooled in there that, you know, it would allow me to run like zero latency on my live streams so that I'm not 4 days behind you. You know what I mean? I'm lagged as all hell. So yeah, it would be great. It would be awesome. Where the heck is Finger? All right, Finger, back to 497. Oh, so the SPY ended up getting that resistance. Yeah. There's a. Let me see. Yeah, I think there. I can show you a way maybe. So let me do this for you, right? Check this out. I'm gonna bring up. I deleted something. They're wearing out on the SPY. Maybe so. Contraction would happen here. We're getting closer and closer to lunchtime, right? So, no, what I was going to say is this. Okay, I'm going to bring up my screen here. And these are the analytics, right? The YouTube analytics live. So, up on this screen up here, I'm going to show you. I want you to see that, right? So we're gonna test the reaction. I'm gonna draw a circle really fast, and then we're gonna see what that delay is, right? So like this. Check this out. And circle. 2, 3, 4, 5, almost a 5-second delay. Did it work out like I said? I wasn't watching the screen, so I had to do other things. Was there like a 5-second delay? Silly times over here. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I guess my line is working, right? The 449.19 is still serving as resistance right now. This the daily gap. So Off-Grid Gorilla, what I can say is that, yeah, I guess if we're looking at this also in a daily perspective, 3 consecutive days of lower volume and upside, so that naturally is a bearish divergence, right? So, yeah, possibly. All right, 862, and then your topside resistance at 865. Be very careful because this play technically belongs to the bears, right? Because we got that inside closure, but again, nothing is playing by the rules right now, so it may actually ignore it. And okay, so FNGR back to 504. Damn. I can't believe how just fast it goes. Yeah, guys, if you're getting some random like deletions of your comment from me, I'm sorry, but that is actually algorithm Arca Bulls, right? So there is an algo Arca Bulls on the loose. He's at large, right? And he's gonna largely delete you, right? So I just want you to know that I mean no offense by that, but it's actually my digital counterpart. Blame that guy. All good in the hood though. Right? COSM hasn't moved up. Damn right it has. It's at $1.09 now. And also, what was that other play that I actually put up yesterday in the on the tube? PCSA? always forget. Let me see. PCSA. Yeah. Okay. So let me give that a quick little gander, right? So PCSA. Well, as you can see, my line, it's still following my line, right? So yeah, guys, check this out. It's up. I mean, there's guys. Man, I gotta show you this. Okay. You know what? I think I have the. Do I though? Let me see. PCSA. Okay. So when I put up something like this, that never happens. I never say that. I put rocket emoji. And then I put a little sticker here, viral. Guys, I never do that. Right? So I do that for my bulls. I do that for my bulls in the community to hopefully you can read my psychology and then try to see, wait. Arca's putting out the bat sign right now. He's about to rip open something. So you can think to yourself, wait. Did Arca just say rocket emoji? Where has he said rocket emoji ever? Right? So there's got to be a clear reason as to why the hell why it is in the crap that he said rocket emoji. Right? So, and then to follow that up, we have this. Look. I'm going to zoom in like crazy to the title and bring up that screen. And then I further hinted by saying, not even kidding, right? So those of you who read me, right? So, but yeah, team, this thing opened up at 3082 and it is currently at 4280. There is no other way that I could have told you that this was going to go up. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Oh my goodness, man. What ticker's that one? TIVC is taking a dump. TIVC. Did we look at that one? Let me see. Was this the topside target that we were looking for as a resistance? 230 to 238, and then it could have been 267 to 276? Is that the case? It just RS'd a little while ago? Oh, dude. So I had in the video... Yeah. Oh, okay. Check this out. Let me turn that down. I'm gonna bring this boy up in here, and check it out. Read the vibe. Look what I say in the beginning. It is coming to me completely blind. Right. So let's put this at the beginning, and here we go. We'll pull up some relevant. What the heck is going on? Is that really where it starts? Come on, get out of the way. Here we go. Let's go ahead and open up this ticker as it is coming to me completely blind. We'll pull up some relevant tools to determine where price action can potentially be in the coming sessions. Don't miss this one, as many encourage me to observe tickers with no information at all. Welcome back to the channel on this happy Monday. This is Arca. Let's dive into ticker symbol PCSA. Let's kill him. So that I really meant it. I had no idea about nothing forever, never. Like, I don't know. I was just asked, hey, can you take a look at PCSA? And I'm like, All right. So, and it was already like really late at night, and I'm like, well, here it goes. I'm just gonna read it. I'm just gonna say whatever it says, and then I'm just gonna, put it out there. And a lot of people encourage me to do that. But what I really meant to say is that a lot of people like to test me, like quote unquote. They'll put that there, and then they'll be like, well, watch them be wrong this time, right? And I don't care to be wrong, to tell you the truth, but I'm just reading whatever the chart says. I don't care, So I didn't want to be mean in that video, though. But that's really what people try to do when they say, when I said that they encourage me. No, Lord. All right. So VM up 9%. What is VRM? Is that what it is? Tom R, what's up, buddy? So Berenson saying that PCSA and FNGR equals strong. Gal, on which one? Which ticker were you looking at? Was that PCSA? Rosy Gray Glasses finger looks to have good momentum to go up quite a bit once the 4-hour candle closes. Oh, damn, it's at 505. Right, so the resistance we were talking about was the 488 to 508. Focus at 501. We were at 501 for a bit. We bounced off of there a couple times too. So 508 is the top side for now. But yeah, if it does close, let me see. Yeah, this thing is acquiring all kinds of good stuff here. Daily regression is sitting at 513. Oh, on PCSA. There could likely be a pullback actually from around here-ish. Right, so if that's the case, then your entry would be set at the daily gap to the top support. So it's still going to be 38-ish. But you would have to wait. So 38.48 to about 39.50. Rosy Gray Glass is saying, fingers back deep, momentum pointed sharply up and already bounced off support of that descending wedge I mentioned yesterday. And yet you still have the guys on Twitter calling like $1.02. Blows my mind, bro. Blows my mind. Right? Like how wrong... How wrong could you be? You know? Like if you just stopped worrying about your line so much, you could have probably longed the crap out of this and make real money. All right, so the SPY combating that top side finally, and this is the resistance that I'm actually looking for, team. So 449.95 to 450.26. Which is a 4-hour gap right over here. The gap is located between Thursday, September 14th and Friday, September 15th. Gal, not a problem. You would be playing the breakout play. Art, what is up, my bro? Dude, what a morning indeed. So these are those catalysts that we were talking about in the Masters course. We were speaking of when they release a news event or something, then the stocks can run, right? or they can fall. So today's catalyst was actually the inflation report. It came in cooled, meaning that they were expecting a 3.5, and we're trying to drop that from a 5-6% that where we were about a year ago or two. So we're trying to drop it all the way down to the expected 2% that the Federal Reserve wants to be. So we were expecting a 3.5 this time around, or 3.6 or whatever that was. And it dropped all the way to 3.2. And that's why you have this like money printer, right? So, but usually on days today, these are not the days I trade whatsoever, right? So it's part of my rule set. It's part of my system. I've lost a lot of money in trading these days. But yeah, pretty much that's literally what's happening. And lots of people made a lot of money on this. A lot of them were in here too. And I'm like, damn, you guys, wow. Gal, THRX. Nice. FNGR hitting the 506 mark. Oh, dude. Let's take a look at THRX. So, let's pull up the daily time frame like always, right? So we want to... What the hell? This thing opened at $2.05 yesterday. And then gapped up to $3.06, a whole dollar up. Damn. Off-Grid Gorilla saying, what's that, Sensei? Did you just say buy SPY puts? Let's see real quick, right? Because of the resistance level that we were facing on a 4-hour time frame gap. I forgot where it is. I already got out of that chart, but it was around 449.93. We're at 449.53. Dude, that's typical. That's a typical area to pull back, right? But nothing about today's price action is typical. Just know that. And you know what I mean? I'm sorry. And then also the play, let's see how Hood reacted on the hourly chart. Man, Hood still at resistance. Still has the 865 to validate before a continuation. And it's having trouble. So that's, I don't know. That could be a sign of some bears coming in. Tom R is saying, I heard YOLO 0 DTE SPY puts at 419.93 per Arca's instructions. So no, guys, I don't know. I'm telling you, there's a reason why I don't trade the price action today. There is really a reason. The thing is that 508 FNGR, damn. The thing is that I really do expect a pullback to happen from that 449.93, right? So from there, I cannot say if it's gonna respect it. But if we observe volume, let me pull this back to the hourly time frame. I guess there is, in a sense, there is a... Actually, I can't even read it. Let's see, 30-minute volume. Okay, well, there's your bearish divergence. You have inclining price, declining volume. And look at the candles going from huge to small. That usually indicates that there's weakness in the market. That's Tom R is saying that that's all he ever hears. He said Arca just said we have to go 50% margin on a put play. SPY puts 0 DTE, 50% margin on top of your entry. Let's go. Damn, are you serious? Guys, you guys are freaking crazy. Man, I can't tell you how much I do not suggest that. With a heavy not financial advice behind that, right? But I guess I'm really humbled by how much trust you have in me, but damn, you know? I guess, yeah. It's having trouble. It's having trouble getting up to that resistance level of 449.96. I know Off-Grid Gorilla usually offsets my entries by around a couple cents or few cents. So, Rosie Gray Glass is saying you have to have a 0.01% stop loss. That's way too conservative. We need more aggression. We're going to do a 0.0003% stop loss. Saying that if we're going to enter at 429.27, this thing has no chance to dipping at 449.26 because we're that precise. But also the thing is that you're going... The problem is that you're also going in like so close to the freaking lunchtime. Guys, in the lunchtime, contraction happens. That's when options devalue. Let's see. Hold on, team. On the Oh man, come on. There we go. Off-Grid Gorilla saying in half position puts Off-Grid Gorilla, you're in? Tom R, what's a stop loss? It's like I say, risk management. Did you just say position endangerment? Oh, damn. Bro, I can't even tell you how much I am praying over here, right? And I don't like praying when I'm trading, right? Because I need both my hands on the keyboard. So we can't do that, right? So Berenson literally just called. He said, did you just say go full port burrito? Like the fingerito. We should have gone full port on this boy like yesterday, right? I know, Tom. What the hell, man? I know you're kidding. There's no way you would be observing someone in the markets like me. Like, oh my goodness. So, yeah, team, I mean, I can't believe that we're facing these highs. And guess where that resistance was? Somebody told me new high of day for FNGR. I think they said 508. And where's the resistance that we spoke of yesterday? Located right. I'm gonna put it over here for the bears, right? For the ones who were saying that it was gonna go down. And I'm like, no. There's the resistance, right? There is the price. Man. Why did that happen? Why did that resistance happen right at 508? We spoke about 508 yesterday. Well, that's because my line, bro, my line. Let's see, Arca, why the hell the burrito industry's rocketing? Dude. FNGR showcasing the extra scoop of guac. Yes. This is the green guac right now. It's just scooping on up. Arca, why the hell is CLNV down 10%? Any analysis? Let's go ahead and take a look what the hell is going on with CLNV over here, fronting on everybody. Saying, you know what, guys? Okay, little lady just showed up, team. Just a moment. Let me go ahead and say goodbye to her. Just a sec. And I'll leave here FNGR for your convenience. Just a sec, team. All right, team, what is good? Oh my goodness. Well, the wife said goodbye, and I'm like, okay, goodbye. And she goes, take the trash cans out. I'm like, damn it. So I said, I'll do them right now. I was like, but the stream is going. She goes, but the trash can comes in once a week. And I'm like, you're right. Damn it. All right, so FNGR moving on back up. Let's see. And that, yeah, so what happened to the SPY? What happened to the SPY? Did it drop? Off-grid Gorilla. Oh, man. Bow chicka bow bow, says Steve Mertz. Man, no, definitely. I had to take out the damn trash. That was not cool. Yeah, I mean, remember, team, it usually happens like that when we're leading into lunch, right? It's already 8:37. This is, let me see if I can actually bring it up here. Where's the hourly? Hourly. 15 minutes. Okay, yeah, so 15 minute, 10 minute, and 5 minute, all of these are already like contracting, right? So that's, I mean, it's typical, right? It has to happen. It needs to take a breather. And the hourly time frame is just so damn overbought, and it's also at critical expansion. So the thing is that when you're trading options, you don't want there to be a contraction phase. The options contract would be best to open when you're beyond the 15 percentile of critical volatility with an upside pivot on both the moving average and the volatility component. Like, that's probably the best way to look at it. Doesn't happen every time, but yeah. Oh, yeah, I believe it. The real Ace Wang saying SQQQ, more downside, not financial advice. I believe it, man. It's going to be a little bit of a recovery to an upside right here, but as the SPY continues to that upside, SQQQ, the SPXU, they're going to go down and down and down. Jark Zen is saying, since I've stepped my foot into the market, I've had a few people question it. Some compare it to a casino. I don't see it like that because the market requires logic and analysis. What's your thoughts? Those who really don't understand it will say it. Here's the thing, man. Here's the thing. It's that at bottom line, it technically is a gamble, right? Because you're putting at stake some money, right, in expectations that something else will return. Now, not everyone believes that, though, right? Like, for example, I would take very near and dear what Lance Bracing would say. He goes, we don't train to be gamblers. We're traders. We never say the word gamble, right? Because we have a system in place, we have analysis in place, we use statistics, we use algorithm, we use all kinds of things that a gambler does not. And with that come higher probabilities. Right? So everything in life is already in a chance, right? So I personally do not believe this to be any type of gamble. Right? But the thing is that it in all essence it kind of sort of is, right? But I'm not one to believe that. African Gorilla saying market definitely like a casino. Biggest difference is you're allowed to count cards and use numbers. So yes and no, right? Good point. Good point. Yeah, so man, and using statistics against the markets, that's a huge plus. Dude, look at this. Hood completely ignoring the resistances that we're talking about. Right? Because nothing is playing the way it should today. Oh, right. CLMV. We never looked at it, right? goodness in heaven. This thing just started ripping or what? I see it all over the damn price action. Wow. Yeah, what the hell just happened? This thing is moving onwards. It's in a gravitational zone for an upside continuation too. Hold on, let me see the price because I'm sure that's what you want to see. Oh my goodness. Huge shakeout. Let me see the daily. Damn. 435 and now sitting at 528. That's freaking wild. That is insane. Let's see. Let me go to the 12 hour. I wonder if we're going to... Yeah. Wow. Look at that. That was not random. The 435 or whatever it went to. Look at the SMA 200. Is this... Oh, right. Damn. Guys, I spoke about this. I literally gave that target. Right? Damn it, man. So Origin saying, got more near the bottom. Great TA from last night. Arca, thanks so much. Dude, I personally did not remember that I spoke of that bottom side because of the golden cross on the 12-hour time frame. Guys, I'm sorry. I just cover so many freaking tickers all the damn time that I forget. Right? But yes, this is massively expected. I was talking about us moving onwards, right? Upwards because of the validation of the SMA 200 with the SMA 50 crossing over each other. This is very important to do because it's about to be a golden cross. So Danielle Spears saying, your girl is serious poker player. So I do gamble, but I consider a whole lot of math, whole lot of reading tells position, etc. in the master's class to learn to use market trading weapons. Oh yeah. Yep. Yeah, guys, yesterday someone, now that damn, it's moving up. 545 just moved up even some more. Wow. So yesterday somebody commented on my Twitter saying that hold on, let me I think I have it here somewhere. Hold on. Let's see. So in the I want to show you this because this is it like when you don't watch like my video, right? When you don't watch it, it's I can't do anything about that because like in the video I give out the information pertinent to price action, right? So the CLNV, yeah, this one here, right? So let me show you. So in this post, I'm gonna zoom in a little. So here I got this this comment that said, and it's red and dropped to my video that I'm saying supports incoming, meaning that the support is coming. and that was on this. It was on this day here, right? So we were closing at 5:39 or something like that, and then I said that we would come back down to 5:10. Price action closed at 5. Man, it's like, did you not watch the video? Like in the video, come on. Like I clearly say it in the video, right? We're gonna face a support at 5:10. It dropped all the way to low of 496, and then it closed at 5. Like that was pretty damn close. You know what I mean? So yeah, you know, I just man, I don't know what to do. Right? I don't know what to do. So Danielle's saying it was a huge learning curve to play poker well. Same is true here. I had to learn both the hard way, though. Yes, it's a high tuition for sure. Unfortunately, I learned a lot of stuff the hard way. I think everyone does. The 2 1 minute, man. I mean, first of all, I never really observed the 1 minute for anything regarding trading, to be very honest with you. These two? They're going to start in 15. The lunch is going to start in 15 minutes. Or, well, yeah, in 12 minutes now. Oh, yeah, John, I agree. In fact, Off-Grid Gorilla, he explained to me a couple things that he used to observe, and he used statistics as well in a different way, different spectrum. But he said that's how I was driven to watch you, because you were using statistics the way I use in my field. But I was using it in stocks, so he was kind of curious by it. Yeah, sure, not a problem. Let's look at HUBC. Oh, yeah, we will be doing that, man. But yeah, this price action here on a 1 minute chart, it's like when you compare it to an hourly chart, it's just like, you know, there's like those 2 cents up was like bam on the 5 minute, on a 1 minute, and then bam. I found out that I had too much anxiety with a 1 minute candle. So, I mean, there have been times where we have scalped here, you know, a 5 minute play, and I'll be using a weekly candle. I'm not joking, by the way. I really mean that. Let's take a look at HUBC. Let's see. Just a moment, team. Okay. So, right, team. The daily time frame it feels a little questionable. Another thing is that look at how it ignored the crap out of this bullish engulfing. It just said no. You know, Tom, there's a lot of people who do, even professional traders. It's just not my cup of tea. I like the 5 minute. I really like the 5 minute at opening too. The validation of the 5 minute candle closing below or above either the EMA 5 or an EMA 9. That now serves kind of like a VWAP for me, because now volume weighted average price or VWAP, that's not, I'm finding that it's a little, people are playing against it now. They're changing it. Origin calling out manipulation on a 2 minute, 3 minute, and 4 minute, and 5 minute, damn, on HUBC. Tom. Dude, I totally have it. Look. I absolutely have 1 second intervals here. Buzz margin call, sniping with a 1, 3, and 5. Nice. Okay, swing trading for minimum hourly, but focus on your 4-hour and 12-hour for swing. For day trading as a beginner, because a beginner is not going to be so aware of price and how it tends to work. So pulling back from that would really help. Using a 5-minute, an hourly, maybe even a 30-minute, right? But in my case, this is really how I trade it. This setup here, let me show you. This is the one where we play at. This is the one where we play our thing all the time. This is the hourly and the 5-minute. So I use both of these. Alongside the 5-minute, I really like the EMA 21, the EMA 200, the EMA 7 and 9. Jonna, how you doing? Oh, damn, Vary's going up again? Nice. Let me pull up the 30. I guess I can do it here. Oh, nice. It's up 6.5% up on the day. That's very cool. Bouncing from the EMA 13. Daily time frame, a DBSI is 62% bull strength. That's awesome. It's feeling like it could recover. Wow. And it's also kind of, I guess maybe not. I was going to say it looks kind of like a bull flag, but it played out already. And then the SPY is dipping. Whoa, let's go. Off-grid gorilla. Definitely didn't get the 449.93. We got 449.73. Dark Zenon, you will know that. You're one of my master students, right? But yeah, I mean, yeah, definitely go back and record it, but you're going to learn this. Definitely going to hit the 1 second though. Awesome. If you get a sharp decline and you're still before lunch, I would get the hell out. Gotcha, Zenon. Gotcha. So yeah, definitely go back. And I think the hourly and the 5-minute are a dangerous combination for day trading with a linear regression channel. Let's see. Cyber Sultan, we are not in a bull run just yet. So he's saying, let's see, if we're in a bull run and validate a monthly and 3-month progression, do you recommend purchasing options expiring before Thanksgiving or Xmas, or only play 0 DTE in case of a black swan event? So I don't like holding options overnight at all. And every single time I've done it, I've kind of lost money. There are people here who like Off-Grid Gorilla, he's played them overnight pretty well. But my problem with options contracts is that you have no control over the options contract overnight. So price action on the S&P futures could drop and I have calls. And then there could be I mean, look at yesterday. Right, look at yesterday. Danielle Spears was asking me, should I pick up SPY puts for today? I think she was saying for today. And we said, no way. So imagine she did get the SPY puts yesterday to trade them today. That would have been catastrophic, right? So because we didn't, you can't trade the options contracts until market open. Yes, Danielle, I am very happy that you did. But there's a reason why we don't trade it, right? So, and that was a very clear reason. That could have been a max loss, a 100% loss, like completely out. SPY is, yeah, this was that surge or that drop that I was talking about off Grid Gorilla. You're at 8:57 a.m. This is the break beneath the EMA 21 on a 5-minute time frame. Hold on. I see a support coming up at about 447.98. Yes, Rosie Gray Glasses, thank you for reminding us. That is right. Tomorrow is going to be the producer side of inflation. So that's going to be the producer price index, PPI. Yes, I definitely can. Brother, I would not. See, the thing is I don't know if it's going to continue capitulating. It very well could. You know, and it actually could come back to the EMA 7, aka the linear regression top at 445. I see that, right? But the thing is that it's lunchtime. I don't know what happens there, brother. Okay, this thing could flip bullish out of freaking nowhere. Buzz, super risky plays, but it's really whatever you feel most comfortable with. Man, we got 64. Yeah, off grid. I don't like these 2 minutes left, man. It feels like it wants to fall off a cliff. I'm not gonna lie, it really does. And in fact, you're increasing volatility towards an upside on the 5-minute time frame. That is great for your options contract. You're currently at a support right now. The support is like 448.41. Part of your start the maths. Oh, that's right. I forget that you have those. And you're yeah, that's right. You're not gaining as fast, but it's still pretty volatile though. Wow. Are you going to try to hold them overnight off grid? I mean, there very well could be, a pretty serious pullback here. Oh man, I hate how it slows down though. Damn. Let me see this on the 5-minute. Yeah, it looks like there could be a resistance at 448.70 just to validate the EMA 21. Yeah, I wonder if that could be the validation of a resistance here for a continuation to the downside. Microsoft is dropping. That could be assisting the SPY too. Garbini, I didn't know that. But that's a swing short, right? So we have shorts every day, like day traders and all kinds too. So, and no, that doesn't mean that in fact, they could actually test a resistance. They could also double down. You know, a lot of these shorts can actually be very hard-headed. Like they'll like, I mean, just like bulls too. It's the same difference, to be honest. I wonder if that 5-minute EMA 21 is going to hold it here on the SPY. You know what I mean? That's really what I'm... So now we have an upside pivot here on the RSI, which could also indicate that it'll break beyond the EMA 21 and face a resistance right at about 448.91. I think Lauren Wood has asked me about that one before. A 40% though, I mean, that's huge, right? I mean, if any, yeah, I guess Garbini, if I can be honest, yeah, he may influence, right, a greater amount of short positions to get out. I mean, the thing is too, is that he would face an infinite loss if he stayed in. He knows that the inflation came out today. You know what I mean? Just a moment, team. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about here. I feel like they're... Okay, 5-minute candle closing beneath the EMA 21 is a good sign. "12 seconds left. That was a pretty good sign there. Wow. Huge volatility here already in the lunchtime, man. Very curious. Wow. Incredible. You're up, right? Off-grid gorilla, you looking good? Man. Nice, brother. Nice. Good. I'm happy to hear that. Man, I feel like this. I feel like it's really gonna fall off a cliff here, man. I'm looking at a support right at about 447.99. Oh, good, good. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Man. It's getting super volatile. That little bit of support right there was one of those. Let's see. 1 minute and 50-second close. Yeah, I guess this 5-minute candle, if it can close beneath 448.35, it hit the support right on the money. Nail? What? Yeah, what ticker is that one? Nice, brother. 45 seconds left. Let's see if it can close. Looking okay. Come on, get it. There we go. 6 seconds left to close this candle. That feels like it's going to fall off. 1 second left. Close. It could also come back up to resistance again. Damn, look at that. Let's go. Yeah, so how you feel? Off grid, what percentage are you up at this point? Like, what's the actual percentage value that you're up at this point? Jarzena, you're up 34%. Yeah, that sounds about right. Is it waiting for another closure here, or what's the deal? Yeah, at this point, I don't know how I feel about the price. It may actually come back up to that EMA 21 at 448.62. I can't tell though, right? Because you do have a resistance at 448.37. Yeah, this could come up and scoop right up here. It's just, guys, it's during this time, it's really not the best time to trade. Yeah, Tom, it feels, yeah, it could be. It's just stochastic momentum on a 5-minute time frame. It's doing this curve here. That doesn't feel good. I mean, it could still continue to the downside, but it's just, I don't like it because it's now not consistent. That's probably the best that could have happened, Zenon. Oh, very moving? Damn, 75.99. Yeah, that's looking strong. Upside pivot on the RSI here on a buy daily. Massive times here, team. Yeah, here's that. I don't know. I just feel like it wants to come right back up. $447 and lower. Oh yeah, I believe it. Right, there's just that EMA 7 is located at 448.52. It could get a validation there. You know, it just a resist from it one time type of thing. Do you know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Origin saying you okay. Man. Those of you with 0 DTEs like this, it could always go lower, it could always go higher, but this is a pretty good opportunity to just get out too. Yeah, 447.32 could be the lowest point. I'm thinking. Like if I pull up my, let me see. Maybe the SMA 50. There. It could be 447.35 as well. So I like that, and actually think what? That would validate the strength and strengthen the play. Oh, to get the resistance? Yeah. Dark Zenit, that's oftentimes you can use bases like the linear regression. So the band here, right? So closing at, closing above or below this would suggest downside or upside regularly, right? So it's got like a 70 to 80% accuracy, so it's not perfect. And then also it would be ideal for the current bar, the current candle, to close beneath the swing low, which is the absolute lowest value that it has thus far. So if this candle in 1:48, 1 minute and 46 seconds can close beneath the wick low of this candle here, that would be incredibly bearish. So the thing is that there's no right or wrong answer within that either. Sometimes that just has to do with your discretion and how you observe the markets. Because my rule for a closing basis, invalidation or validation, may not have anything to do with someone else's criteria. That's how much there is to consider in the markets, is that you literally can create your own system. And your style of trading could also be a signature. It could be identified. Yeah, this is a little dangerous here. I don't like how the price action is just sitting around there. So at this point on the 5-minute time frame, I would really like to see, at now more than ever, I would really like to see higher lows and possibly some lower highs so that we can create a bear flag. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? So 10 seconds to close this candle here. It really doesn't feel like anything, but we're already getting some lower highs, right? So let's see if this low could actually resist from or support from maybe 448.10-ish, right around here. Let's see if it can bounce from this zone here. Yeah, right around there. Nice. And the reason why is because we're creating the higher lows to create a bear flag, a pennant. Like it looks like an inverse pennant. Damn, look at that. Oh, dead cat? Oh, dude. 1 minute time frame. Holy crap, yes. Damn it, I hate the 1 minute. 1 minute time frame SMA 200 now converting into a resistance. It's feeling pretty damn bearish. My goodness, look at that. Incredible price action. What the hell? Nice, dude. Look at that. So 447 on the 5 minute. Hold on, let me come back to you. Let me come back to it for you. Yeah, the SMA 50 on the 5 minute, 447.49. It's already breaking that. It's already breaking that bar. That's it. That's it. That was it. Resistance at 447.97 could be at play now. The SMA 50 on a 5 minute could serve, man. It could serve as a pretty nice area for a bounce. I'm not sure if it'll completely reverse from there, but I can say that it does have a higher probability of bouncing. Oof, man, this is tough at lunchtime, man. This is very, very tough. Buzz, what's up, buddy? Oh, yeah, you know what? I actually do have to check. Oh, dude, it actually is working. Damn. Buzz, your hood position, bro. We got the closure beneath the freaking band. Holy crap, man. So I have to load up two of them. PXMD for Danielle. Sorry, did somebody else? Okay, so, oh man. Yeah, interesting how that, oh, right. So, yeah, the last hourly candle closed inside of the linear regression channel, right? So that actually pushed price action slightly up to validate the resistance, and now it's capitulating. So that would be the play. So let's see. Supports are coming up. SMA 50 and the EMA 21 located roughly at about 206 to 210. I would adjust that to 208. Well, concentrated, right? So 206 to 210. With a focus at 208. Very likely for PXMD to come back down to that area. I understand that the hourly EMA 55 is serving as a support there. But know that there is a potential still, right? Validating resistances. Okay, so 34 minutes left on ticker symbol AI. Potential bearish engulfing. Let's check momentum. Oh, hourly time frame could be at a support. Yeah, I guess some of those areas there are pretty. Not a problem, Danielle. I got you. Yeah, they could be looked at. They could be looked at as supports, right where these, right where the wick came down to at 29.55. I'm actually looking at this support on the hourly, right, but definitely not the best area to enter. Usually, when you're overbought like this, you know that could traditionally be take profits. Oh, you're talking long term. What the hell, man? Yeah. Let's see. I hope that it doesn't Oh, dude, hold on. This would be incredible, though. 3 days and 4 hours to close a bullish engulfing here. I would be worried about something, right? Because you do have a resistance coming up at about 33.58, right? On the 33.84 on a weekly. Now, that actually gives me a little bit of fear because, because there is the slight off chance that you can get a head and shoulders here on a weekly time frame, and that has a lot. That has high credibility. And this is a sideways neckline, right? Let me get rid of the moving averages. I already talked about this too. So the downside target here from the channel itself is this, right? Purple line, you apply it to the breakout point. That would be a total downside to 1197, but you're getting, and then also you're getting a resistance up here, maybe at around 34.70 in the coming weeks. Why is it doing this? $16 and change is your average. That's powerful. Let me see a higher term. Okay, and let me see the bi-monthly. Yeah, brother, I think this is a quarterly chart and it feels like a freaking bull flag. This is the candle to take it. So if it's ever going to do it, it would be now. You know, I mean, well, now relevant to the next month and 16 days. It may invalidate the short thesis. This may be a bear trap. Yeah, dude, I'm bullish. I'm bullish the asset. And in fact, I see that in maybe another 3 months, we could be testing. I mean, if it is possible, if I'm reading this right, I don't know, man, maybe $100. Nuts. Like nuts to say that, right? But it's possible. I mean, more than possible. Damn, dude. Especially since there's so much innovation in this sector. It's only just beginning, really. And I know you know that. Where's FNGR at? Origin. Let me see. Upgrade Gorilla. Yeah, this is that validation of resistance that I spoke about on the SPY. This is the EMA 7 / maybe the EMA 21. So 448.47 to around 448.28. Buzz, not a problem, brother. I got you. Dude, it looks... I mean, it has high promise, brother. High validity. Yeah, the SPY resisting from there. It's holding it. Let me look at FNGR real quick. Man, it's at $5. Very impressive. I also want to see that other play too, the PCSA. PCSA pulling back. How high did it go? It went up to 43.05 and now pulling back. This was what I was expecting. Gal, THRX, you want to see that one? Yeah, so this is what I was expecting, right? This is what I was telling you. So we would get this pullback from somewhere right up here and then come back to start validating the supports, right, of 39.50 to 38.48. Okay, so, and then, Gal, let me look at THRX for you. Oh, can't do it here. Oh, yeah, good. $372. Why $372? Oh. Oh my goodness, that's I mean, it's a little, yeah, it's cooking on that RSI. Still has massive upside on stochastics though on a 12-hour. Let me see the buy daily. I think that it has a good chance at it, actually. I'm speaking to you, Gal. Oh my goodness, yeah. I think, actually, let me see the 8-hour now. Yeah, these could be short-term pullbacks. Let me see the 4-hour. Damn. Hourly time frame showing that it could be at support right now. I'm just a little afraid because it's in the gravitational zone. It doesn't mean that it can't. It doesn't mean that it will fail. It just means that we're at the gravitational zone, right? So we have to kind of tread lightly. But there is a support there. Let me see the 30-minute. The 30-minute also showing support right there as well. This is, in practice, this is a bull pennant. So I think, I think I have conviction in the play. Let's see, 9 minutes to go. Let me see, 5-minute. Yeah, 5 minutes showing downside, but there is support down here at 316 as well. There is a potential that this thing is getting ready for a breakout. And yeah, so you have price convergence with declining volume that's indicative of a triangle. Right, so that could give you that right there could give you an indication for a potential break up or break out or break down. But something tells me this is favoring the bulls. Right, so center of the triangle would be one of your targets. Let's say that it would break out here in the following 10-minute candle. Target up to 333. Let's look at the back of the triangle right up here. That's looking at 341, sorry, very confluent to this top side here. Okay, good. Yeah, I think it's looking okay. EMA 21 support. We've been riding upside of that SMA 10 on a 10-minute, and we're breaking beneath the SMA 10 to come and validate the EMA 21. Yeah, I think it's looking good. I think it's looking good for an upside continuation. Very discretionary though, okay? So I may very well be super wrong. FNGR still holding that $5 mark. Oh, what? My little guy is big time awake. No. That is very early. Yeah, so this is what I was a little bit afraid of, right? Off-grid, testing the EMA 21 at 448.48. So we are right there right now on the SPY. Good to see you, gal. And, sorry, let me see. AAL. Yeah, let me look at it real quick. It's just my boy's running around now. This guy. Oh, man. Okay, so there is... Let me see how I would find danger. Oh, could it be the bi-weekly? Hold on. Bi-weekly. Let me see the 5-day. No, but yeah, so the bi-weekly time frame, which is going to be over in 3 days and 4 hours, is showing a massive resistance up here. So I think I can correlate the SMA 14 with the EMA 21 or SMA 10 right up here at $14. So on a macro scale, that's what I'm looking at for maybe a week or two. But as far as the short term, like the 4-hour time frame, for example, this feels like we're going to get a pullback. Like we're going to get a 1237 run, resist from the 4-hour SMA 200, and then price action would come back down for a very critical test. We're breaking out of the descending broadening wedge, and we haven't tested it. So there is a chance here. There is an off chance that we can get that resistance from the SMA 200 and then come back down to validate not only the conversion of resistance into support, but also validate the EMA 21 as a support to the yellow line. And then this thing could bounce to the upside. The take profit for this formation, though, is freaking 1349. So just to put it out there like that, right, this is a very bullish play. But it looks like it's going to take some time. This would take a couple weeks, maybe even a few weeks to resolve. All the way up to that $13 to $14 mark. Yeah, guys, yeah, I hear this guy yelling over there. I need to get to my dude. He's cutting me off early. Team, let's go ahead and just cut it here. If any questions or concerns, get back to me. Or reach out to me on Twitter. Please remember that I am accepting the ArcMastersCourse Track 4 students now. We have a lot of inquiries, so please go ahead and for the 16-week mentorship, track number 3 just started last week. So if you are interested, go ahead and get in touch with me at ArcMastersCourse@gmail.com, and I'll go ahead and pass over the syllabus, the disclaimer, and all that good stuff, right? Really appreciate everybody for coming out. Love you, team. Buzz, appreciate you too, buddy. Cyber Sultan, Gal, Ian Tucker, Danielle Spears, Daryl. Love you guys so much. Origin, love you, buddy. Off Grid Gorilla, I'm gonna catch you soon, my brother. AP, I'm gonna talk to you later. Cyber Sultan, adios. Mr. Bin Pro. Jeff Nielsen, you too. All right. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. Rosy Gray Glasses, adios. Cal, adios. I need you to do your own due diligence and everything will be cool. But with that said, I wish you well. Very good rest of your day. And I will catch you at the bell mañana. Adios.